Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your character on the Pocket Lovecut live sim application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And go to the three lines, go to the doll icon at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can edit your character. You can change the hairstyle, the shirts, the paints, hats. You can add accessories, and you can add face decor. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.